Also, I'm not joking, I just found the perfect, most flattering top for spring and summer. Look at this top. I like workout material, so it's super comfortable. Especially love it because you don't need to wear a bra with it. Also love that you can wear it to work out with, or you can throw in a pair of jeans and dress it up. I'm obsessed and will definitely be buying more colors. To all my bigger busted ladies, I found the perfect tank top you need. Ready? Look how flattering this is. It hugs my chest really nicely without flattening them. Look at the strap. It's nice and thick, so it easily hides your bra strap. Not to mention, this cut of the top emphasizes your waist and makes it look smaller. I also got it on sale. This is not sponsored, by the way, but it's from Abercrombie, so run, don't walk.
You bitches is messy. Let's see. After all of that surgery, you are still ugly. Now that is what gets me.
I recently saw this girl create a cute bikini top with her bikini bottoms, so let's test it out and see if it's Big Bust approved. First, you untie both sides, then she tied the 2 strings around her neck and the other 2 around her waist. I'm gonna try with another bikini bottom because this one did not work. Okay, it kind of worked, but I don't really love it because this side is thicker than this side. Like, this side's very thin, so this does not feel secure at all, so I don't think this is Big Bust approved. I'm going to a vintage market in Toronto today, so let's get dressed together. It's really hot out, so I'm thinking either a skirt or a dress. I don't want to go with this Princess Polly dress. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're gonna take my mom down to the market for Mother's Day, and then I think we're gonna take her out for dinner. This dress is so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, let's add accessories. I'm already wearing my necklaces. I'm gonna add some rings. Hit those, and then I'm just gonna throw on these hoops. A purse. This one, maybe? And here's the whole fit. Bye guys, I hope you have an amazing Mother's Day and make sure you do something special for your mom.